Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri Rafidartania. I will present about 5 human sense and their structure and function. So, as we know, humans have 5 senses. The first one, sense of smell, is nose. Sense of sight is eye. Sense of touch is skin. Sense of hearing is ear. And the last sense of taste is tongue. Sense of sight. The eyes are needed by humans in receiving stimuli to be sent by the brain. The stimuli come from what we see. The eye function to focus attention on an object, adjust the incoming light, can be used as a medium of communication. Eye structure that need to be known. First, sclera. The sclera is the part of the eye that covers the entire eyeball, except for the cornea. Second, choroid. The choroid is the middle layer of the eye that contains blood vessels. And the last is retina. The retina is the part of the eye that is in the form of a layer and is very sensitive to light stimuli. Sense of hearing. The function of the ear is divided into 2 parts, namely listening to sound and body balance. The balance is the information received by the ear can be conveyed to the brain in a balanced manner. The structure of the ear is divided into 3 parts, namely the outer, middle, and inner parts. The outer part of the ear is the part of the ear that functions to receive various kinds of sound vibration. In this middle part, there are 2 ear organs, namely the auricle and the ear canal. This part of the middle ear functions to transmit sound vibration from the outer ear to the inner ear. The inner ear is composed of a bony labyrinth and a membranous labyrinth. Sense of touch. The skin is the outermost part of the human body. With the skin, we will feel various things. The skin functions are regulate body temperature. The structure of human skin consists of 3 parts, namely the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. Epidermis is the outermost layer of the skin. The middle layer of human skin is called the dermis. Within the dermis layer are blood vessels, nerve endings, hair roots, sweat glands, and oil glands. The deepest layer of human skin is called the hypodermis and is below the dermis. Sense of smell. The nose in human has 3 functions, namely as a means of breathing, smelling odors, and filtering the air. As we know that the respiratory system must begin with the nose. After the air enters the nose, it will then enter the lungs. From the lungs, the process of circulation oxygen will occur. The structure of the nose is divided into 2 parts, namely the inner nasal cavity and the upper nasal cavity. The inner nasal cavity of the nose has a septum separating the nasal cavity. The septum is divided into 2 parts, right and left. The upper nasal cavity has the main function of smelling odors. In short, the smell that is smelled will then be received by the smelling mucus, which has receptors from the smelling slime, will process to the smelling bubble. From here, the smells will be received by responded to by the brain. Sense of taste. The tongue is an organ of the human body that is located in the mouth or especially at the bottom of the mouth. The tongue is a boneless organ which only consists of a collection of muscles. The main function of the tongue is to taste. Just imagine what it will be like if humans didn't have a tongue. They certainly would not the various flavor that exists. The tongue can taste 5 kinds of taste: salty, spicy, sweet, bitter, and sour. Okay, that's all explanation of the 5 human sense. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.